Good morning children. How are you? Hope all are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn in semester 2 textbook chapter 10 multiplication and division of fractions, page number 78. Fractions. A fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part represented by the numerator and a whole represented by the denominator. For example, 3 by 5. So here 3 is a numerator, that is number of parts we have is 3, and this is fraction bar we call it as, and this 5 is the denominator, that is total parts in a whole. Here one picture they have given, see 3 parts are colored in purple, that is nothing but numerator. This total 2 more parts are there, with 3 plus 2 total 5 parts. This is nothing but in a whole we call it as 5 as denominator. Now product of fractions equal to product of numerator by product of denominator. Now learn and observe. 12 by 15 into 1 by 3. Method 1. Multiply and then simplify. So 12 into 1 is equal to 12. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Now we have to find out the factors for 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now the factors are for 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Likewise for 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So here factors for 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Now when we have to strike off the common factors here, 2 into 2 into 3 by 3 into 3 into 5. So numerator 3 and denominator 3 we can cancel it. Now the remaining is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So our answer is 15. 4 by 15. Okay children? Fine. Now in the same way method 2, simplify and then multiply. So 12 by 15 into 1 by 3. What we have to do is, first we have to, 4 3s are 12. So strike off 12 and write 4 on the top of the 12. Now 5 3s are 15. Strike off 15 and write 5 below the 15. So here 4 by 5 into 1 by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. We have done here cross multiplication. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Now our answer is 4 by 15. Likewise, second question, 1 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. So here with the help of HCF we got 12 here. How we will see now. 1 into 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 5 into 4 into 9 is equal to 180. So 24 is divided by 12, that equal to 2. 180 is divided by 12, that equal to 15. So here with the help of HCF we got 12. How this 12 we got? Let us see now. 24 divided by 180 is equal to HCF of 24 and 180. See, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 is equal to 24. For 180, 180 divided by 2 is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 1 is equal to 180. We are circling the common factors. We have to multiply the circled common factors. Then we will get 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. That is why we got the highest common factor as 12. Now 24 by 180 is equal to, that is divided by 12, means we will get the answer as 2 by 15. Okay children, now shall we move to types of fractions, proper fractions, numerator, top number is smaller than denominator, that is bottom number. So 1 by 3, for example, 1 by 3, 5 by 8. Proper fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. Now improper fractions. Numerator is larger than denominator. For example, 7 by 3, 4 by 3. Mixed fractions. Whole number and a proper fraction. That is, example, 3, 5 by 7, 2, 4 by 9. Now shall we go to question number 3 in your textbook. 5 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 2. That equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3. Here 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. So 16 by 3 into 7 by 2. 8 2s are 16. So cancel 16 here, cancel 2 here, and write on the top of 16 8 and write 1 below the 2. So here 8 into 7 by 3 into 1 is equal to 56 by 3, that equal to 18 2 by 3. Step 1, here divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2, the quotient is the whole number, the remainder is the numerator of the fraction. The denominator remains the same. Numerator by denominator equal to whole number, that is numerator by denominator. For example, here how we got this 18 2 by 3. Fine. So we have to divide this 56 by 3. 56 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. Now we are trying to do the division. 3 ones are 3. So 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Now bring down the 6. 26 it will become. So 8 3s are 24. 26 minus 24 is equal to 2. Now the remainder is 2 and the quotient is 18. That is nothing but whole number. And this remainder 2 is the numerator. And this 3 is nothing but denominator. 56 by 3. So here we can write as QR by D. That is Queen in Raj Darbar. Q is quotient, R is remainder, D is denominator. So 18 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder and 3 is the denominator. So Queen in Raj Darbar. Our answer is 18 2 by 3. Okay, fine. Now shall we go to the fourth question? Simplify. Here 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So, that equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. We have to do the addition now. 3 ones are 3. 4 twos are 8. So, you write here 3 by 8 plus 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. 3 by 8 plus 3 by 12. So, LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Steps for adding fractions. Find the least common denominator or LCM of the two denominators. So, here what are the denominators? 8 and 12. LCM of the two denominators 8, 12. Here 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 divided by 2 we can't do it. So write 3 directly down. Now here again in the same way 1 we can't divide with 3. So write 1 directly and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 is equal to 24. So least common multiple of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. For the first fraction, since 8 into 3 is equal to 24. That is 3 by 8 is equal to 3 into 3 by 8 into 3 equal to 9 by 24. Likewise, for the second fraction, since 12 into 2 is equal to 24, 3 by 12 equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 12 into 2 is equal to 24. That is 6 by 24. Like fractions are fractions which have the same denominator. So, 9 by 24 plus 6 by 24 equal to 9 plus 6 by 24. If we add, the answer is 15 by 24. These are called like fractions. For both fractions, the denominator is 24. To simplify 15 by 24, we have to divide by 3 as 15 and 24 will come in 3 table. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So our answer is 5 by 8. Now let's do it. Find the product of the given fractions and write the answer in the lowest form. Here question A, 3 into 1 by 7. 3 is nothing but we can make it as 3 by 1 into 1 by 7. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 7 equal to 7. 1 sevens are 7. So our answer is 3 by 7. To solve this, we should know the fractions. Now you can do B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I bits. Let's do it. Now second question, simplify. Now in this question number A, here 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 into 2 by 3 is there. So next step, how we will write 3 by 8 into 1 by 2. That is 3 ones are 3, 8 twos are 16. Here 3 by 8 into 2 by 3, again 3 twos are 6, 8 threes are 24. Now next step, 3 by 16 plus 6 by 24. Now this 6 by 24 we can simplify. If we do the simplification, we will get the answer as 1 by 4. Now we can add 3 by 16 plus 1 by 4. Now we have to find out the least common multiple of the two denominators, that is 16 and 4. So for 16 and 4, we can find out the least common multiple. Now 16 divided by 2 is 8, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now 2 into 2 into 4 into 1 is equal to 16. So least common multiple of 16 and 4 is equal to 16. For the first fraction, since 16 into 1 equal to 16, that is 3 by 16 equal to 3 into 1 by 16 into 1, that equal to 3 by 16. Likewise for the second fraction also, we can find out, since 1 into 4 by 4 into 4, that equal to 4 by 16. If we simplify 4 by 16, our answer will be 1 by 4, that equal to 4 by 16. So 3 by 16 plus 4 by 16 is equal to, the total answer is 7 by 16. The same way you have to do the B bit. Okay children? Fine. Properties of multiplication. Any fraction multiplied by 0, the product is 0. For example, 5 by 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 2, 4 by 7 into 0 equal to 0. 0 into 2 by 3 equal to 0. Any fraction multiplied by 1, the product is the fraction itself. For example, 3 by 5 into 1 equal to 3 by 5. 4 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 4 1 by 2. Any number multiplied by its reciprocal, the product is 1. For example, 3 by 5, inverse is 5 by 3. So, 3 by 5 into 5 by 3 equal to 15 by 15. Your answer is 1. Now, 4 by 7, inverse is 7 by 4. So, simplify. 4 by 7 into 7 by 4, that equal to 1 by 1. That equal to, answer is 1. Note, reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. 1 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3. 2 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 2. Let's do it. Question number 1. Find the product of A bit 0 into 2 by 5 equal to 0. So B, C, D, you can do it on your own. Now question number 2. Write the reciprocal of each fraction. A bit 11 by 12. Reciprocal is 12 by 11. Here B, C and D, you can do it on your own. Third question, find the product of A bit 9 by 10 into 10 by 9. That equal to 1 by 1. That equal to 1. So B, C, D, you can do it on your own. Division of fractions. To understand division of fractions, we need to know multiplicative inverse. Division of fractions. To understand division of fractions, we need to know multiplicative inverse. Two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. For example, here let's observe and learn. 3 divided by 1 by 2. Here total how many holes are there? 3 holes. How many parts are there? 2 parts. That is nothing but each hole is containing 2 halves. That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So our answer is 6. We see same pattern in the other examples. So in general, when we divide fractions, the divided by symbol changes into multiplication and the second fraction is written as its reciprocal. For example, number 4. 3 by 5 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into reciprocal of 2 by 5. That is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 2. We can simplify. So 5 divided by 5 is how many times? 1 time. So cancel 5 and write 1. So 3 ones are 3, 1 twos are 2. That equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is our answer. Example 5. 2 7 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. That equal to 23 by 8 into reciprocal of 3 by 2. How this 23 came? Example 5. 2 7 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. That equal to 23 by 8 into reciprocal of 3 by 2. How this 23 came? 8 twos are 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. So we have written 23 by 8. And here 3 by 2 how it came? 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2. That equal to in the next step 23 by 8 into 2 by 3. Now here 4 twos are 8. Strike off 8, strike off 2. And here write 4 and the top write 1. 23 into 1 is equal to 23. 4 threes are 12. So if we divide 23 by 12, our answer we will get is 111 by 12. Let's do it. Question number 1. Write the reciprocal of A bit 3 1 by 7. Here 3 into 7 is equal to 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. That equal to 7 by 22. Now B, C, D, E bits you can do it on your own. Now F bit here they have given only single digit number 3. That is nothing but 3 is the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Question 2. Divide. C bit 12 by 13 divided by 2 4 by 13. 12 by 13 divided by 30 by 13. How this 30 came? You now do cross multiplication. That is 13 into 2 is equal to 26 plus 4 equal to 30. That is the reason we wrote here 30 by 13. Now 12 by 13 divided by 30 by 13. If we do the cross multiplication, now our total answer we will get is 2 by 5. Do rest of the sums. Question 3. Simplify A bit 7 1 by 4 divided by 2 2 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. That is equal to 29 by 4 divided by 8 by 3 again divided by 9 by 16. So 29 by 4 divided by 8 by 3 we are doing cross multiplication. That is 29 into 3 equal to 87. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. So here 87 into 16 by 9 into 32. If we do cross multiplication, we will write like this and our answer will be 29 by 6. B, C and D bits, you do it. Properties of division. 0 divided by any fraction, the answer is 0. For example, 0 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to 0. Any fraction divided by 1, the answer is the fraction itself. For example, 3 by 5 divided by 1 is equal to 3 by 5. Any fraction divided by itself, the answer is 1. For example, 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 3 is equal to 1. Word problems. Let's observe and learn. Question number 1. A girl has 2 1 by 3 meters of green ribbon, 5 1 by 2 meters of red ribbon and 4 1 by 5 meters of blue ribbon. How many meters of ribbon does she have altogether? Length of green ribbon is equal to 2 1 by 3 meters. Length of red ribbon is equal to 5 1 by 2 meters. Length of blue ribbon is equal to 4 1 by 5 meters. Total length is equal to 2 1 by 3 plus 5 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 5. That is equal to 7 by 3 plus 11 by 2 plus 21 by 5. 7 by 3 into 10 is equal to 70 by 30. 11 by 2 into 15 is equal to 165 by 30. 21 by 5 into 6 is equal to 126 by 30. So, the step came as 70 plus 165 plus 126 by 30. That is equal to 361 by 30. If we divide 361 by 30, our answer will come as 12 1 by 30. The total answer is 12 1 by 30. Now, she has 12 1 by 30 meters of ribbon. Now, have a look on to the rest of the examples given in your textbook. Go through the rest of the examples. Let's do it. Read, think and solve. Look at E bit. Find the sum of the products of 2 1 by 4, 3 1 by 2 and 1 1 by 5, 3 2 by 4. Solution for this. 2 1 by 4 into 3 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 4 into 7 by 2 is equal to 63 by 8. Second step. 1 1 by 5 into 3 2 by 4 is equal to 6 by 5 into 14 by 4, that is equal to 6 by 5 into 7 by 2, that equal to 42 by 10. If we simplify 42 by 10, we will get 21 by 5. So, 63 by 8 plus 21 by 5, do cross multiplication. That is 63 into 5 is equal to 315. 8 into 21 is equal to 168 divided by 40. Answer is here 483 by 40. If we do division, then we will get the answer as 12 3 by 40. Rest of the sums you follow from the examples given in the textbook. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.